Dyno decking, how to install edging trims. Our composite edging trims are 2.2 meters in length, 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters and 5.5 millimeters thick. To achieve precise corners and joints, you can mitre the edging trims using a chop or mitre saw. This will ensure a clean and professional finish to your installation. Before applying adhesive, make sure the surface is completely free from debris and clean, and then apply outdoor grab adhesive to the designated surface area. Position the edging trim into place, ensuring it adheres firmly to the adhesive. Leave a space of 4 to 6 millimeters where two edging trims meet. This gap is crucial to accommodate expansion. When using screws, it's essential to pre-drill the edging trim to prevent any damage to the product. Carefully screw the edging trim into place, making sure it is securely fastened and ensuring you maintain a 4 to 6 millimeter gap where two edging trims meet to allow for expansion.